Hello Zeekers, I want to share with you 9 last minute items with great demand for Christmas. 9 profitable products to dropship from Walmart to eBay in December 2021. Yes, there is still time to make a profit this year. Ready to make some money with these products? Now, let's begin with item number 9 by jumping into my screen. As always, we are going to start here on the Zeek Analytics product research. So here from the Zeek Analytics product research, in the search bar, we're actually going to search for a Walmart brand because we are going to find some 9 last minute items that people do tend to buy. So again, pick a Walmart specific brand and then just search for it here on the Zeek product research. One of the main Walmart brands that I tend to go to just to find other dropshippers using Walmart as their supplier is the Walmart Mainstays brand. So what you can do is filter out from greatest feedback score to least feedback score, and then that way when it's from greatest to least, you can go ahead and select some of these sellers and jump into their store, which we'll do in a second. Now here, once you have a lot of these stores open, you can just go ahead and skim through them just to check out the stats to see if they're worth sniping some of their products. So once you find a particular seller, you just go ahead and open up their products on eBay. So now let's just go ahead and jump into the products that we just previously found. So the first product that we managed to find with another seller that's using Walmart as their supplier are these paper Christmas Kraft wrapping paper. On Walmart here, you can see that they're selling for $24.99, exact same pack. And on eBay, it's selling for $24.99. And if you were to take this listing and maybe spruce it up a bit, you would probably be making more sales than this particular seller. And for the second item, we are still sticking to the wrapping paper because this is a great item to have when it comes down to last minute shopping. So here on eBay, the price for these Hallmark Christmas Peanuts wrapping paper is $23.83. And here in Walmart, you can see that they're selling for $14.99. Now here we have this tricycle. It's a kid's tricycle. You can see the front wheel trike, girl and boy child, so it's unisex, and you can see that it's selling for $72.41 here on eBay. And there is always someone during this period of year who is screaming around to buy those last minute gift ideas and gifts, and this is a perfect item. So let's take this particular item and calculate the profit that we would potentially make if we were to sell this same item from Walmart as our supplier. So let's say that we are going to sell this same exact product on eBay for the same price as well. So let's take $72.41 minus the 13% of your additional costs. And then you're going to take that sum and subtract 57 from it because that is your purchase price from Walmart or your supplier. And of course, here on Walmart, while we're here, you can see that it comes in 2 colors. So you can take the red and the pink. You can upload both colors on eBay. And going back to our calculation, the profit that you would be making for each sold item is around $5.99. And the next item is this dartboard selling for $173.28 here on eBay. This is a great gift idea for the man in anyone's life. So let's go ahead and calculate the profit for this one as well. So again, let's say we are going to sell this particular item on eBay for the same price at $173.28. Of course, you're going to subtract the 13% of your additional costs. And when I say additional costs, it's like eBay and PayPal fees. And then you're going to take away the $100 from your supplier site. And you can see that this particular product here makes you $50 profit for each sold item, which is amazing. And of course, you can see that it's not the exact same product, so you will have to fix up the price a little bit when it comes to selling. But still, even if you lower it on eBay for $10 to $15, you would still be making a nice profit for every sold item. And I personally think that this particular item on Walmart is a little bit a richer look to this item than compared to the eBay item. Here on eBay, of course, you can see that this particular item, this dartboard, sold 53 times. As you can see, Zeek Analytics is an amazing tool. There are so many features: product research, competitor research, title builder, and more. It offers everything you need to build a selling machine on eBay. Take advantage of it today. The link is in the description. Let's move on to our next product. And our next product is for the more outdoor lovers. Here you can see this rectangular tile tabletop, and it's an outdoor fire pit as well. You can put it in your backyard, your deck. It's selling for $124.99 here on eBay. Of course, you always want to check the item specifics and about this product. And on Walmart, the same exact item is selling for $99.85. So let's go ahead and do some calculations. So let's say we're going to sell this same item for the same price for $124.99 on eBay, minus your additional costs of 13%. And then, of course, you're going to minus that sum from $99.85, and you will get your profit. And of course, the profit is around $8.90. But don't forget, at this particular time, you can always use coupons or cash back. That way you will be getting a bigger profit. Our next item is this dinnerware set. It's a great gift item. You can see it's selling for $52.17 here on eBay. And over on Walmart, it's selling for $40.93, and it comes in different colors. So I really do suggest you do put all of the colors on eBay when selling this particular product, or any product that comes in a variety of colors or sizes. Make sure to include all of that into your eBay. All right, so our next product is this golf club set for ladies. It comes in 13 pieces, selling for $184.52 on eBay, 97 sold. Let's continue. Over on Walmart, we can see it's selling for $147. Now, again, we have this machine gun rapid fire belt dart for kids, selling $49.54. I don't know how exciting this is for the adult parents to get for their child to get this as a gift, but it is a great gift. So again, keep this product in mind. Over on the supplier site, which is walmart.com, it's selling for $29.97. And this product will leave you with a nice profit. If you are enjoying this video so far, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel. Thank you. That's it. I wish you a great end of the year and a prosperous new year. Take care.